The Forma sink line from Ruvati is specially designed for your home laundry, mudroom, or utility room. The 13-inch bowl depth can fit large buckets and gives you ample space to wash your laundry or your boots. The T304 grade 16-gauge thick stainless steel construction makes it a heavy-duty sink for your mudroom. The stainless steel rinse grid protects the bottom of the sink and allows the free flow of water. The Ruvati Forma sink brings out the true utility of your laundry or mudroom. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Workstation sink. Ledges on the front and back act as a track for sliding the built-in accessories, include solid wood cutting board and dish drying roll-up rack that slide on the ledges, converting your sink to a workspace. Number 2. 13-inch deep bowls. Perfect as a laundry or utility sink. 16-gauge premium T304 grade stainless steel, 18/10 chromium, nickel. Will never rust or stain, commercial-grade brushed finish, easy to clean and long-lasting. Number 3. Heavy-duty soundguard undercoating and thick rubber padding to minimize noise and reduce condensation, sloped bottom with grooves to allow complete water drainage, edge 0 radius, sharp inside corners for a resolutely modern look. Number 4. Exterior dimensions. 23 inches, wide, by 19 inches, front to back. Interior dimensions. 21.5 inch, wide, by 16 inches, front to back, by 13 inches, bowl depth, standard 3.5-inch drain opening. Number 5. Included in the box. Sink, sapele wood cutting board, stainless steel, and silicone roll-up drying rack, stainless steel bottom rinse grid, basket strainer drain assembly, cutout template, limited lifetime warranty, Ruvati USA. Number 6. Perfect drain grooves. Sloped bottom, and 4 drain grooves on the bottom of the sink channel water towards the drain, keeping your sink clean and dry. Number 7. Commercial brushed finish. Easy to clean and long-lasting. Unlike the satin finish, Ruvati's brushed finish hides scratches better and matches well with your kitchen appliances. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.